Intention. The first aspect of good companionship within a marriage is that a Muslim should always have a good intention towards their spouse. It is not possible for a married couple to treat each other kindly and be happy together without a good intention towards each other. Chapter 2 Al-Baqarah, verse 231.
And when you divorce women and they have nearly fulfilled their term, either retain them according to acceptable terms or release them according to acceptable terms, and do not keep them intending harm to transgress against them. And whoever does that has certainly wronged himself.
When a married couple have a good intention to keep each other happy, then Allah, the Exalted, will guide them towards mutual love and respect for each other. This has been indicated in chapter 8 Al-Anfal, verse 70.
If Allah knows any good in your hearts, He will give you something better than what was taken from you.
It is vital for the husband and the wife to have a good intention towards one another, as it will manifest in their actions. Once this intention changes, Allah, the Exalted, will change the relationship they share. Chapter 13 Ar-Ra'd, verse 11.
Indeed, Allah will not change the condition of a people until they change what is in themselves.
This relationship will then become difficult and strained. Whenever a person has a good intention, it will purify their spiritual heart. When their spiritual heart is purified, the rest of their body will become purified, such as their tongue. This has been advised in a hadith found in Sahih Muslim, number 4094. This will cause every aspect of their marriage to take a large step towards goodness and happiness. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.